Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix VSS error code 0x8004231f on Windows 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start. Now type here Services. Open Services. Now guys, here you will see a list of service. Find out volume, copy, shadow. This one, volume, shadow, copy. So double click on it. Now select as manual, startup type, and if you see service status is stop, so click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So like this guys, you can fix VSS error code 0x8004231f on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.